visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Sagittarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for your May the 21st to May the 31st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? I want you to know that this is a general reading. Pwedeng mag-resonate ka sa buong reading na ito, pwedeng konti lang. Take what's only yours. No? So, Sagittarius, parang feeling ko marami tayong mapapansin this week. These eye-opener may be something that will lead us to either move forward or love ourselves better. Para kasing ang dami ng mga signs, no? Either kung nagbubulag-bulagan tayo or hindi lang natin pinapansin or baka talagang matigas ng ulo natin, Sagittarius. But I feel like this week, parang all those signs, no? Whether this is signs from numbers or ito yung mga angel numbers, dreams, parang bigla mong, sige, papakinggan ko na nga, no? I feel like the universe are actually pushing us to listen, no? Sometimes kasi, the will of exploration, the will of us, no? Yung pagiging adventurous natin. Minsan mas malakas kasi yung tawag nun kesa dito sa mga, pag sinasabi lalo kay Sagittarius na stop ka muna. No, hindi pwede yan. Mas lalo kong gagawin, mas lalo kong papatunayan, no? Parang ganon. Stubborn, yes. Sometimes it helps, sometimes it doesn't. That depends on the situation, but I feel like with what is going to happen in here, somehow, it's a positive experience pa rin naman if we were going to look at it in a different way. The Three of Pentacles, well, that makes sense. The Chariot and the Six of Pentacles. I feel like siguro maiisip mo dito or mafe-feel mo, no, na we were either somewhat taken for granted. Parang kumbaga sa libreta, nag-audit ka, no? Doon mapapansin, sandali, ito yung ginagawa ko or ito yung naibigay ko or ito yung ambag ko. Tapos bigla mo mapapansin na, ay sandali, parang nabe-breadcrumbs ako, no? For those of you who don't know about breadcrumbing, totoo siya. Ang explanations nito is, gagawin natin since this is a breadcrumbing and we are Pinoy, gawin natin yung pandesal, di ba? Yung pandesal kasi meron siyang mga maligasgas, no? Which is breadcrumbs. That makes sense dun sa pandesal. Si person, hawak niya yung tinapay, yung pandesal, kinakain niya, nakikita niya ikaw, kung ano yung nalalaglag, which is dun yung mga breadcrumbs, yung mga mumo na tinatawag natin, that's for you. Pero the entire loaf of bread or the bread itself, para sa kanya. So parang bigla mong mapapansin ngayon na ay parang medyo parang may mali. Siguro pinagbigyan mo no before, hindi mo pinansin before, pero parang nagiging frequent yung mga nangyayari. Parang mas nagiging trabaho mo ngayon itong relationship with the Nine of Wands, the Page of Pentacles, and the Wheel of Fortune. Well, maganda ang pasok ng pera, no? Um, medyo medyo lumihis yung reading. Kasi parang yung ginagawa mo ngayon, nandun ka pa rin ba sa I think for those of you na medyo talagang sobrang stubborn, um, and you need to hear this, no? Yeah, baka ito yung sign, no? Yes, you are being taken for granted. Yes, you are probably being abused, not physically, but in some ways. Kasi ang focus natin ngayon siguro trabaho, pera, sahod, which I feel like, share your blessings, generosity, um, and maganda naman yung pasok ng pera. But I feel like you probably need also to check, no, um, what you bring to the table and what your persons bring to the table, especially kung hindi pa naman kayo married, no? So, you might wanna double check, okay? Uh, the Knight of Pentacles. So you're really staying, even though that there are questions in here with the Moon card and the Eight of Cups. No, not. Well, I think that for a few numbers of you, siguro mga 70%, will try to push back, no? Um, push the person back. Oo, mahal kita, pero nakikinig ako ngayon, no? Sa mga signs na nakapaligid sa akin. Probably the writings on the wall are very clear. And I tend not to look at it, pero hindi na siya writings na naririnig ko na siya, no? So it felt like yung iba, no, na woke or probably awakened. Yeah, I feel like I'm stuck into this situation. Probably I was being manipulated, but this time I'm not going to listen anymore to my person, but probably walk the path, no? My own way, kasi baka nadidiktahan tayo. With the Seven of Swords, I don't like it. The Four of Swords, and the Five of Wands. So I feel like you are really being manipulated with the Seven of Swords in here. So Seven of Swords is like a thief in the night, no? So parang this person is going to keep you and parang hindi naman siya papayag na you're walking away and leave them alone. So I feel like bubuntot at bubuntot pa rin naman itong person na ito to make your ulo bilog, no? So yeah, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, I want you to know that sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo dyan, no? So, kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 dahil discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So, Sagis, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Leo, Taurus, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Pisces, Virgo, Capricorn, Leo, Cancer. Yeah, so this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just